Jake, I don't know what to say, but if you need to talk to someone, I'm always here.
Yes! I live for this couple. Anyways.
Should me. It's good to feel like someone's listening.
Slay.
Okay, team, I suggest that Jake and I, who are fast...
Anyways.
Go ahead and reach the hill first to free the logs. The first one, you can put them on the starting line.
Hey, Tom, doesn't that mask bother you? It's cloudy now. I don't think the sun will kill you.
Even if the sun is not visible, it can always cause me problems.
Well, I'm really curious to know what you look like without it.
Holy shit, my fucking ears!
Maybe later. You okay?
Not really. I feel bad for letting the team down.
Don't worry, we'll catch up on the other challenges.
I wish I could do it, but it's too close to home.
May I ask why?
I lost my grandfather when I was a
Just
kid,
skip this
and
part already.
I always went with my mom to visit him and leave flowers. That place caused me a lot of anxiety.
Stop with this
Now
vent.
my grandmother's sick, and I know it's only a matter of time before, you know.
Tom, just kiss him already,
sorry,
I swear to
Jake.
God.
That must be hard.
It's fine. I'd rather not think about it.
Time's up, come on!
I'm good.
I'm already tired of only eating fish.
I know. What are you craving?
Chinese takeout. I always order that at home.
Oh, I love Chinese food. There's a restaurant I live near that'll knock your socks off. We should, go when this is over.
Do you mean a date or something? I think Tom, you need Grammarly. I think you meant Tom, Tom, said, Jake, I love you, please marry me. And then Jake says yes.
Sure. Hey,
See?
Oh,
Exactly.
your eyes. They're pretty. I never noticed since you've always got that hood on.
thanks.
Oh my god, holy shit.